Hi there, you're with James from BH Sound and Lighting, and today we're just looking at the Yamaha DXR12 and how to control it. Once you have set up the speaker, there is a power input here and a power on and off button on the right hand side. On the back of the speaker there are three inputs. You have input 1, which is an XLR, you have input 2, which is your line input for 1/4 inch jack, and you have input 3, which is a line input for RCA phono. Each input has its own volume control, so you can control each channel individually. On input 1, there is a mic/line switch, so if you're coming from a desk, you'll need it in line. If you're using a mic straight into the speaker, switch it to mic for an extra 40 dB. If you're using the speaker as a plug and play item from us, you'll have an aux cable which will plug into line 2. You may also be using RCA phono, which will go into number 3. Either of these options plug white to left and red to right. To link a second speaker, you'll have an XLR cable from us. Plug one end into the link out, run it down and round to the other speaker, which will be exactly the same as this, and you can plug it into mic/line at the top and set the volume control to 0. This will now copy whatever happens on the first speaker. With this, be sure that the switch is set to line. If you're connecting to a sub, come out of the link out, down to the sub. Here you can control your high pass frequencies. For instance, you'll both want them set to either 100 Hz or 120 on each the top and the sub. For a boost in bass, you can use the D contour, set it to front of house/main, or for reduction in bass, such as in a monitor, switch it to monitor. Thank you for joining me for this quick introduction into the Yamaha DXR12. Please like the video if it has helped. Comment below if you need help with anything else, and subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Thanks.